What's up, people? This is Jen, and this is how to make. This is how to make ramen in the microwave. So we have a big bowl, glass bowl.
I said
glass.
Dude.
Shh. Would you shut up?
I said sup, dude.
And it's filled with water. It's kind of dirty, but whatever, because I used this yesterday.
Sup, dude.
Now, can you please be quiet? My goodness. So it's a bowl, a glass bowl, glass, doesn't really matter. Don't put plastic in it. Plastic. Blow up. Okay. So, don't put the ramen in yet. I'm using B. If you want shout outs for the next video, because I do shout outs now, just comment down what your favorite kind of ramen is. Is it shrimp, beef, blah 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 blah, Oriental? Oriental is Chinese food, I think. I'm not too sure, but yeah. Please don't fall on my foot. I don't want to go to the hospital tonight. Get up the camera. Then you put it on for hold on. Be back in a momentum. Okay, you're supposed to put it in for 2 minutes. Had a good look at my Jen shirt in the process. Sorry. Sure, it's just so comfortable. Let's go show you one of my kitties. I'll show you one of my. Meow, 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 meow. I have 4. This is one of them. Her name's Bella.
Look at that. No more mess.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Jasmine.
She likes hugs. What?
Look at that. No more mess.
Ow. Ow. Okay. I'm letting you down. Just crawl on me. Okay. Here, look at that fur. Beautiful. Okay. Whew. See if I can see it. Nope. But I'll see you guys whenever this ramen noodles, whenever the water's been boiling. Okay, the ramen is done. Let me just take it out. The water's. I don't need to take it out. I don't need to take out the ramen. Why am I trying to take out the bowl? I don't need to. Then you take your noodles.
Have fun.
They smell weird. And they look weird. And then you just plop them in the bowl. Oh shoot! I didn't mean for it to actually plop in the bowl.
Please put water.
Hey, there's water. I know how to make ramen. I'm not.
Are you hot?
Usually with the fork, I just. Water's good. And you put it in for 3 minutes. I'll see you guys whenever this is done. Wait, can I see one thing? Bye. Well, not bye, but. Oh, shoot! Little Bella, little Bella, little Bella. Gizmo! I found another kitty! Get away from the fork. Oh, this one's the hugger. Oh, please don't let me. It's a good kitty. My Gizmo. He loves kitty hugs. Yes, you do. He's tired. He fell asleep. I'm gonna have to sit you down somewhere. Okay. Why don't you go back in the bedroom? Okay. Time to grab it out from the thing. It's not done yet. Fork. Stab my ramen. Please, none of the water go on me. I really don't feel like burning today. Stabby, stabby, stab, stab. Stabbing it. And that goes in for another 3 minutes. This is how I make a ramen. Oh no, I don't raise those crickets here. Go again. Be like, make me ramen, yeah. two other kitties. Probably this side. Anyway, guys, see you whenever this is actually done. Crap. Okay. Finally, guys, the ramen is done. I finally got all the water out. It looks nasty now because there's nothing in it. Let's taste it. See, this is what it looks like. It's all white. But now, whenever you make the magic happen. Magic. This is this magical spice that has come from another planet to help make ramen noodles good. And my fork just fell in the bowl, but I'm not really carrying it now. And so, with one open of a thing. Why am I eating that? One open of a packet comes the magical brown sauce. Seasoning stuff. And then you stir it in the ramen and makes it all yummy. I gotta move it away so it can be on the bottom. Hello Kitty, with this magical brown sauce. Makes everything good. Would you please? Cat just ruined it. Just ruined the moment. Then you just stir in this magical sauce. Put a few drops in at a time. And you'll make the best ramen that people have ever tasted in the world. How's it going yet? And then mix the ramen all golden. Delicious, and I'll be right back. Okay. Just had to throw the packet away. And now this is what it looks like. It looks all yummy and good. That is good. What's up? Anyway, guys, that's how you make ramen in a microwave. The microwave. And now, hold on.